Now we are going to move to a second point of this unit, that is effort estimation and scheduling. Under this point we are going to discuss first of all estimation and scheduling concept. A proper effort estimation and scheduling methods are the requirements for any software project plan. Effort estimation usually takes place during the early stages of the project. Highly precise estimates are not at all needed in the initial phase. It relies on a previous experience and use of model which is used for project planning. The desired approach is to use some estimation model for obtaining the effort estimation. Estimating schedules considers a project estimated to take 56 workers in a month. We assume that this is reasonably accurate. This might reasonably take 7 workers 8 months to complete this project. Such a project is not likely to be completed in 2 months by 28 workers. It might be completed in 28 months by 2 workers, but is likely not to be any interest when it is completed so late. Estimating schedule can be broken down into two activities, that is, determining the overall schedule with major milestones and deciding detailed schedule of various tasks. The different approaches which are used for the effort estimation are bottom up approach. It is effective when project details are known, and second one is top down approach, useful when project size is known. The top down and bottom up approach are used as per the data which is available into the effort estimation. As I already said, the bottom up approach is useful or effective when project details are known, and the top down approach is useful when project size is known. A common approach is used to The common approach is to use some simple equation to obtain an estimate of overall effort from the size. Once the overall effort for the project is known, then the effort for different phases or activities are determined as percentages of total effort. This approach is called top-down approach for the estimation. It means that initially the overall efforts are calculated, then effort for the different phases or activities are determined as a percentage of total efforts. In this strategy, the overall effort is first estimated from the size, then broke down for those different activities which are used into the software development. Some top-down app models have been proposed. They are COCOMO model. In bottom-up approach, the estimates are first obtained for the parts of the project, then overall estimate is obtained. It means that the exactly reverse process of top-down approach is used in the bottom-up approach. It means that initially the estimates or calculates the effort required for the different phases or processes or activities used into the software development, and then calculating, or you can say adding all the efforts of, or adding efforts of all the phases, they are going to calculate the total effort required for that software development. It is nothing but bottom up approach which calculates initially the effort required for the different phases, and then which will combine all the efforts of all the phases of the software development to calculate the overall effort of that project. The bottom up estimation approach, the software under development is first divided into major programs or units or modules. Each program unit is then classified as simple, medium, or complex based on some criteria. For each classification unit, some standard efforts for coding and unit testing is identified together, which is called as build effort. The bottom up estimation approach, once the number of units in three categories of complexity are known, the estimated build effort for each program of selected, then total effort for the build phase of the project is known. This method estimates how much time it will take to code the program. Once the effort for coding is known, the effort required for other phases and activities of the project is determined as a percentage of coding effort. This distribution is used to determine the effort for other phases and activities. From these estimates, the total effort for the project is obtained. The top-down estimation approach starts with estimation of size of software in function points. In addition to size estimation, a top-down approach requires an estimate of productivity from the data which is available in process database and PCB. Obtain the overall estimation and then effort of various phases or activities can be determined into the top-down approach. This is nothing but about the first, or we can say initial part of estimating schedule, or we can say estimating schedules. The COCOMO model that we are going to discuss into the next video. This is nothing but about the initial part of estimation schedule. Thank you.